In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renovation cost in Houzz. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Houzz website. Once you're on the home page, look along the top navigation bar and click on Ideas. This takes you to a discovery area filled with inspiration, but for pricing, focus your attention on the right-hand side of the page. There, you'll find a link to renovation cost guides. Go ahead and click that. You're now on the Cost Guides hub, which organizes pricing information by type of project. Choose a category that best matches what you're planning. For example, you can explore flooring cost guides to compare costs for materials and installation, browse remodel and build costs for larger renovations and additions, or open home updates for smaller targeted projects. To walk through an example, select Home Updates and then click on Paint a Room. On the Paint a Room cost page, you'll see tools to estimate your project cost. Begin by selecting your project size. Pick the option that matches your room or overall square footage. Next, enter your zip code so the estimate reflects local labor and material rates in your area. With those two details set, click Get Quotes to continue. You'll be guided through a brief questionnaire that helps refine your estimate and connect you with suitable professionals. Answer the prompt about how many rooms or areas you want to have painted. Indicate the occupancy of the property, such as whether it's occupied or vacant, since that can affect scheduling and prep work. Share the current status of your project, like whether you're just planning or ready to hire. Choose when you'd like to start, which helps set expectations for availability. You'll also be asked whether price or quality is more important for this project. Select the option that best reflects your priorities. Continue through the remaining questions that appear. These follow-ups are designed to capture useful details, and the more accurate your answers, the more tailored your estimate and pro recommendations will be. As you complete the questionnaire, the cost range will update soon to reflect your inputs and location. A few tips as you go. If you have measurements handy, use them to pick the most accurate project size. Think about any special conditions, like high ceilings, accent walls, or trim work, so you can share them in the notes when prompted. And if you don't immediately see the renovation cost guides link, try scrolling the page or using the site's search to find cost guides. That's it. By following these steps on Houzz, you can quickly explore categories, select a relevant guide, and generate a location-based estimate that helps you plan and move forward with confidence.